Do you often feel tired, weak, or dizzy even after resting well? It might not just be stress or lack of sleep. These could be early signs of anemia, a condition that affects millions of people worldwide. Today, we'll explain what anemia is, its symptoms, how it happens, ways to prevent it, the tests for diagnosis, and the best foods, herbs, juices, and lifestyle habits to naturally fight it. Anemia occurs when your body doesn't have enough healthy red blood cells to carry oxygen throughout the body. The most common cause is iron deficiency, because iron is needed to make hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that transports oxygen. Other causes include vitamin B12 or folate deficiency, blood loss, chronic illnesses, and poor absorption of nutrients. Without enough hemoglobin, your organs and tissues don't get the oxygen they need, and that's why you feel weak and drained. Here are the most common symptoms of anemia: constant fatigue or weakness, pale or yellowish skin, shortness of breath even during light activity, rapid heartbeat or chest discomfort, dizziness or fainting spells, cold hands and feet, brittle nails and hair loss. If several of these symptoms sound familiar, it's time to pay attention. There's a quick at-home check you can try. Pull down your lower eyelid in front of a mirror. If the inside looks very pale instead of reddish, it could be a sign of anemia. But remember, this is not a diagnosis. Only a blood test can confirm it. The simplest way to confirm anemia is with a complete blood count test, or CBC. Your doctor may also check your iron levels, ferritin, vitamin B12, and folate to identify the exact cause. This step is important before starting treatment. You can reduce your risk of anemia by following simple lifestyle habits. Eat a balanced diet rich in iron and vitamins. Pair iron-rich foods with vitamin C to boost absorption. Get enough sleep and manage stress. Exercise regularly to improve blood circulation. Limit tea and coffee right after meals, since they block iron absorption. Here's a quick list of do's and don'ts for managing anemia. Do's: eat iron-rich foods daily. Combine iron foods with vitamin C sources. Include foods rich in vitamin B12 and folate. Drink fresh juices like beetroot, carrot, or pomegranate. Stay physically active with light to moderate exercise. Don'ts: don't skip meals or rely only on processed foods. Don't drink tea, coffee, or too much milk right after meals. Don't self-medicate with iron supplements without a doctor's advice. Don't ignore persistent fatigue or dizziness. Always check with a doctor. In some cases, supplements may be necessary. These include iron tablets, vitamin B12 injections, or folate supplements, but always take them under medical guidance. Too much iron can damage your liver and heart, so never self-medicate. Diet plays a huge role in fighting anemia. Here's a list of the best iron-rich foods. Plant-based sources: spinach, kale, collard greens, beet greens, lentils, chickpeas, black beans, kidney beans, soybeans, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, flax seeds, almonds and cashews, quinoa, oats and brown rice, tofu, tempeh, and moringa leaves, dried apricots, raisins, dates, figs, and prunes. Animal-based sources: lean red meat like beef, lamb, or goat, chicken, and turkey, especially dark meat fish like salmon, tuna, and sardines. Shellfish such as clams, mussels, and oysters. Eggs, especially the yolk liver, from beef or chicken, one of the richest iron sources. And don't forget, eating these with vitamin C-rich foods like oranges, strawberries, guava, or bell peppers will help your body absorb iron much more efficiently. Some herbs are also powerful allies against anemia. Nettle leaf tea, high in iron and minerals. Moringa powder, called a natural multivitamin parsley, rich in iron and vitamin C. Dandelion root tea, supports nutrient absorption. Juicing is an easy and tasty way to support your blood health. Try beetroot plus carrot juice, excellent for iron and folate. Pomegranate juice helps improve hemoglobin levels. Spinach plus orange juice combines iron with vitamin C. Wheatgrass shots, rich in chlorophyll, which supports red blood cells. Anemia may seem small at first, but it can affect your energy, immunity, and overall health. The good news is, with the right awareness, timely tests, and the right diet, it can be treated and even prevented. Eat well, stay active, and listen to your body, because when your blood is strong, you are strong. If this video helped you understand anemia better, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips.